Shiver, crank that part, bro. Crank that part up there. Crank that part. Crank that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet. Yo, what is that, bro? Oh, nah, bro. Nah, for you, nah. We not using this. I gotta pull this out the arsenal, bro. Come here. But yeah. Now I gotta run up on you, give you a punch, gang. Come here. I'm gonna get you one more time, bro. One more time. Here we go. Yeah. Now I'm gonna run up and punch you, gang. Come here. It's the last time. Oh, nah, bro. Whoever playing me, bro, give it up, bro. Hey, whoever controlling me, bro. Whoever controlling me, quit the game, bro. We not playing this anymore, bro. We not.